Hey guys, it's the next day. It's Sunday. I'm here with Anthony looking in his nose.
Oh, why were you gonna do that?
Hey guys, we're about to
Wait.
we're about to go get Anthony a haircut. I'll cut it out, but we're about to go take Anthony to get a haircut because his hair is gone. Can I show the hair now?
No, babe, wait.
Oh my gosh, this would have to go through with this. But anyways, we're getting ready, guys. I'm wearing a skirt as a shirt. Look at this. You would never tell. It just looks like a tube top. Anyways, quick out for the day. Need to pick up my shoes. And yeah, so gonna go run errands today. He's popping his pimples. I'm kidding. Look it. Can I see your shirt? It says this girl can't do anything. These are her new pants, her jackies, and her shoes. There's Nevaeh. Can you turn and see your pigtails? Let's see your hair. Turn. Turn around. Turn. Ooh. Who's that cutie? He looks so cute. Say bye. See you later. In the car, I got some applesauce for Nevaeh. She's eating some on the way to the barber shop. Baby, excited to get the haircut? Yes. It's about time.
Piggy fat and another piggy.
Oh my gosh. You guys are waiting. There's a lot of people in here, so babe. Okay, bye guys. I just want to show you guys what I got. I went to Didi's Discount, and you guys, I'm currently shopping. So I saw this really cute outfit. It says #love it, and it is a high-low shirt, which I thought was so cute. Has these black pants with it, and then I got her these bows as well. I want her to wear this white one. I thought it was super cute, and she really liked it. So I just got these 3 things, and yeah, let me know if you guys like these cute outfits. Then you liking the outfit? Why did you do that? Ooh. Wait, what's your shirt say? It says love it. #love it. Ooh. Oh. Santa's here. Oh my god.
It's Christmas.
Santa's here. Oh my god. Look at he laying down in the plane.
Where'd you get this at?
Look, he laying down in the helicopter. I can't believe this. Oh my god. Yay.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming.
Look at Santa. Nobody you see you? Wow, he's not drunk no more. No, I'm just kidding. Here we are. But I don't know. Hey, what do you say when we're at the drive-thru? You ordering? What do you say? Remember you saying, can I get, what were you saying? Tell them what you want. Get your order. Tell them. How do you take their order? How do they take your order?
I take my order to somebody.
Well, what do you say? What did you just say? You're like, can I get? Tell them what you want.
Can I get the ice?
And what else?
A cheeseburger, please.
Fries.
Bonsai.
And ice cream?
Ice.
What kind of ice cream?
Jelly.
Okay.
That's it. Thank you.
Burger and fries, please.
Hey guys, it's Monday. It's the last day of this vlog. We are now back home after visiting my parents, where I'm about to do some Postmates. As you guys can see, my Postmates bag right there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was a short one, but stay tuned for our Halloween vlog because it's gonna be lit. So we made a detour during work. We're at Kohl's.
Mommy,
The show.
that's Daddy.
My camera's all messed up.
Babe, she said that's daddy.
There's a woman, Nevaeh. So these are the 2 shirts. I'll show you guys in the car. Yeah.
Right here.
You guys, we're in Kohl's. Cheese. Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay, let's go. We got Babe some shirts. Now we're gonna go see if we can find some shoes for Nevaeh and then something for me. We'll see. Going up the escalator.
Oh my god.
Wanna get down?
No.
Oh, look at my thing's getting stuck. We're going up. We're going up.
No.
Bye, Coles.
Bye.
Nevaeh, you like your new mini? Let me see her. So what's her name? Minnie Mouse. Where we get her at? Kohl's. We get her at Kohl's. Where is she from? Is she from Mickey Mouse Playhouse?
Yes.
And you like her? Okay, give Minnie a kiss. Ah. Bye bye. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back home and I just want to show you guys what we got from Kohl. So first I'm going to start with my stuff. So you guys, I got 2 shirts and the first one I got is this one, which I thought was really, really cute. Looks like this one just says stay kind. And I got it in a medium, just with gray sleeves. And then I've got another one which I really, really like what this said. It says live, laugh, love, which I think is a really, really nice thing. And I got this one in a small because it runs. Did I get a small? Yeah, because it runs kind of big. Next, for my husband, he got this really, really nice collar shirt. You know, he's about that manager life, so he had to get his nice collar shirts. I thought that was really nice. And like I said, mine was 2 for $20. His was 2 for $20 as well. So, and he got this blue one, which I think is super, super nice. And as you guys saw in the car, we got Nevaeh a Minnie Mouse. She already has like so many Minnie Mouse at home, like the big ones, but I saw the little one and I found out that the proceeds to the little Minnie goes to like children's hospitals, children who are sick and stuff like that. So I really, really like that the money's going to charity, so I'm very happy that we got that for her. But that's it. This is Kohl's haul.